In this video we will look at calculating a percentage of a quantity. If you're revising, pause the video and have a go at example 1. So example 1, we're going to find 15% of £240. We're going to do that without using a calculator. So if you get 240 and you divide it by 10, that works out 10%. Half of 10% is 5%. So if we half the 24, we would get 5%. And then 15% is 5% plus 10%. So 15% would be 24 plus the 12, which is 36. Part B, find 37% of 300. Another way to do it, if you're not going to break it up into the small chunks, is to find 1%. 1% is a very effective method because if you find 1%, you can get any percentage from there. So percentage means out of 100. So if you divide by 100, that would get you 1%, which would be 3. And then if you want 37%, you need to multiply that 3 by 37. And that'll give you 111. Now I want to look at another method as well for this, so which will be useful moving forward. So if instead we consider 37% as a decimal, 37% as a decimal is 0.37, and that's what's called a multiplier. If you multiply the quantity by the multiplier, that will work out 37%. So 300 times 0.37 in your calculator would give you 111, and this is pounds. Okay, so the technique, if you're using the multiplier, is just change the percentage to a decimal and multiply by that decimal. Part C then, we have to find 0.5% of £480. So we can change that percentage 0.5% into a decimal by dividing by 100, which would be 0.005, and then we can multiply by 0.005. This is more of a calculator method, so just be aware of that. That would give you 2.4. I'll just squeeze in non-calculator method. If you were doing it without a calculator, I would find 1%. If you find 1%, you would divide that by 100. So 480 divided by 100 is 4.8. And 0.5% is half of 1%. So you could simply divide that by 2. And you get 2.4. So I think it's useful to be, as this is crucial moving forward, but as well, be flexible. And sometimes you can use some simpler methods if the question lends its hand to that.